Okay, we need to remove the yellow plate. Most of you have already done this several times. Sometimes these bolts can be a bugger to take loose. So we need to get us some air impact, take them loose. But we're going to remove that 2 top bolts and the 2 bottom bolts, and then the yellow plate will come off. Good idea to leave the top bolts in until you get a lifting mechanism underneath it. I am going to get the forklift in front of here and lift that off. Okay, so we're going to install the lower feed roll pans. When you grind your corn, corn will fall through the feed rolls unless you have these pans in. So this will be the front pan. We'll slide it in underneath, and then this will be the rear pan that'll go in between this hole that we'll show you later in the video. I want to make sure that the carriage bolts are sitting on this pan, and we'll show you when we get underneath there how to properly install them, and it actually goes pretty easy. So we're going to start by putting this pan in right here. Leave it just rest in there, and then everything else will have to go from underneath. So I want to get that front pan started on all 3 bolts, and I want to leave it angled up like that because the rear pan will slide underneath. I just kind of want to start these bolts, and there's a fairly good gap, and the slots of the rear pan are going to go in there. So rear pan go here, and underneath the slots. Okay, and the rear pan has 2 tabs located on it, and they'll line up with the side of the chopper. And you have to insert a bolt into there. So let's try and find that hole a minute. And let's put those bolts in. Turn the heads, keeping the carriage, the square carriage, in the slot.